Today we are discussing RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims, Quantitative Aptitude, Grand Test 48. Let's go for the questions. First question is, this is a data interpretation they are given. Based on this data interpretation, we have to solve the questions. Then 41 to 45 questions are there. What was the data and how to solve the questions? Look at here they are given 2013 to 2018 such a company values. Red color is belongs to P and yellow color is belongs to Q, green color is belongs to R. And directly we'll move for the questions. So what is the first question? What is the ratio of the sum of all the new joiners in the year 2013 and 2014 total value? 2013 and 2014. Look at 80 plus 100, 180, 180 plus 65, 245, 245 plus 65, 305, 305 plus 80. It is a 385, 385 plus 130, which is equal to 515. It is a 515. And next, in the year 2017 to 2018, in all the given companies, these are 2 years values we should add it. 80 plus 70, 150, 150 plus 90, 240, 240 plus 100, 340, 340 plus 90. So 430, 430 plus 8, it is a 438. 515 and 438 both are not divisible by any number. Our option is none of this. There is no choice of the any option. 515 is to 438. Our option is none of this. Move for the next question. Question number 42. If it is given that company P started in the year 2013 and the number of employees who left the company every year is 20% of the number of employees who joined in the year, then what would be the strength of the company P in end of the 2018? All the year value is required, only P value is required. P is belongs to red color. 80 plus 60, 140, 140 plus 120, 260, 260 plus 70, so 330, 330 plus 80, it is a 410, 410 plus 90, it is a 500. In a 500, how much percentage gone? 20% is gone. 20% is 10% is value 50, 20% means 100. 100 is removing from the 500. Our option is what? 400. Next question. If 60% of the employees who joined in all the given 3 companies in 2017 are females, then the number of we need males. 60% females means male is 40%. 40% who joined in these 3 companies in 2017, particularly we need 2017. 80 plus 70, 150, 150 plus 90, 240. 40% of 240 value is 96. 424 is a 96. This how much less than the number of employees who joined company R in 2014. In 2014, company R value is 130. Comparing to 130, 96 is less. How much less? 34 less. Our option is A. Move for the next question. Question number 44. Total number of employees who joined company R from 2014 to 2017 is what percentage more than the number of employees who joined company P in the year 2017 and 2018? We should add the total value from 2014 to 2017 R values. R values means last green color. 130 plus 150, 280. 280 plus 60, it is 340. 340 plus 90, it is 430. So 430 is what percentage more than the number of employees who joined company P in the year 2017 and 2018? It is a 80, it is a 90, which is equal to 170. 430 is more than the 170. How much more? 260 more. So 170, we need percentage. Percentage means into 100. Into 100 means I am writing a 2 zeros here. Then cancel the numbers here. 0 0 cancel. 17 is dividing to 2600 now. So here 17 is dividing. 17 1 is 17. Remaining value is 90. 17 5 is 85. Remaining is 50. 17 2 is 34. Remaining value is 16. 16 by 17 percentage. 150 to 16 by 17 percentage. Our option is B. Move for the next one. Question is 45. What is the difference between the average number of joiners in company Q from 2013 to 2016 in a company P in the same period? Q value is required. Q value is belongs to yellow color here. So 2013 to 2016 we required. Here 100 plus 80, 180, 180 plus 30, it is equal to 210. 210 plus 70, it is equal to 280. This is a company Q value, and as it is we required P value also. So 80 plus 60, 140, 140 plus 120, 260, 260 plus 70, 330. It is a P. So here we need the differences. 280 to 330 difference is 50, and we calculated for how many years? 4 years. 50 by 4 for average purpose. 50 by 4 is equal to 12.5. Our option is B. Next, we have a directions based on the data analysis. So 46 to 50 questions. So 46 to 50 we have a questions based on the statements, and which is the statement is helpful to finding an answer. These are the options A, B, C, D, E, and we have a question is the 46. What is the average of marks obtained by Ashish? So we need the average marks obtained by Ashish we required. For that we need the how many subjects and how many subjects marks are there. History and English and Hindi have a weightage in the ratio of 7 is to 10 is to 13 respectively, and the simple arithmetic mean of history and English is 150. So history and English is 150 means it is equal to, we can write, summation is 300, and here English and Hindi we have a how many parts? 10 plus 13, it is a 23. 23 parts is equal to 300. We should calculate the overall marks also. That means without knowing the marks we can't find out the answer. That means statement 1 is required, statement 2 is also required. Then our option is both two statements. Both two statements is what? So here statement E. So option E. The data given in both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to finding an answer. Then 46 answer is E. So next question, 47th. What is the maximum marks of the paper? So Rahul scored 125 marks and failed. So the passing marks is 33 percentage. He failed by some marks. We don't know how many marks. If we know the total marks and otherwise we know the failed marks, we can easily find out what is the maximum marks, what is the passing marks also. Then here we can't find out with two statements also. What is the question? The data given both two statements 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. 1 and 2 not sufficient. That means our option is what? D here. Next, 48. Here, Amit arranged a meeting between Vishesh and Shailesh. Vishesh lent some money to Shailesh. Amit received some commission from Shailesh. How much did Amit receive? So look at first statement 1. Shailesh borrowed a sum for 44,000 at 5% per annum simple interest from Vishesh. Okay, Shailesh and Vishesh. But Shailesh returned the amount with the interest after 2 years. They are not mentioned any commission values or money wise or percentage wise in statement 1. But how much money is borrowed, that is given. In statement 2 they are mentioned Shailesh is given Amit how much percentage commission? 2%. The commission value is mentioned in second statement. The value, money value is mentioned in first statement. That means two statements are required to finding an answer. Our option is what? E here. Next question. Here there are some horses and zebras in a garden. How many zebras are there in the garden? So statement 1. If one animal is selected out of all the animals in a garden, then probability of it being horse is 8 by 15, and the number of zebras in the garden is 12.5%. Here they are given a such a fraction. Here they are given a percentage, but they are not mentioned any one animal values like a 40 animals, 50 animals. Without mentioning any number of animals we can't find out answer. That means statement 1 is not useful, statement 2 is also not useful. Then our option is what? D here. Next, 50th 50 question. So what was the age of Kamlesh 7 years ago? So Kamlesh is 6 years older than Himesh. The ratio of Kamlesh present age to Himesh present age is 4 is to 3. There, here the gap is how many years old? 6 years old. Ratio is what is the ratio? 4 is to 3. That means only first statement is enough to finding an answer till now. Then go for the statement 2. The difference between the age of Kamlesh and the Rishabh is 2 years. We not require the Rishabh value. So without knowing the Rishabh value also we can easily find out what was the Kamlesh age with help of the statement 1. That means statement 1 is sufficient to getting an answer for the 50th question. Statement 2 is not required. Next we have a number series 51 to 55. Look at here. So 1900, here the difference is 100, and 900 to 819 difference is 81, and 819 to 755 difference is 64, and here the difference is 49, here the difference is 36, and here the difference is 25. Nothing but it is a consecutive squares. 10 square, 9 square, 8 square, 7 square, 6 square is 5 square. 670 minus 25, the answer is what? 645. Next, here 24, 24 to 26. So difference is 2. 26 to 36 difference is 10. 36 to 66 difference is 30. And what was the next difference? 2 we can write 1 cube plus 1. 10 we can write 2 cube plus 2. And 30 we can write 3 cube plus 3. Then next should be 4 cube plus 4, which is equal to 68. 66 plus 68, our answer is 134. Next, 7, 12. Here is also we'll go for the common differences. 7 to 12 difference is 5. 12 to 22 difference is 10. And 22 to 37 difference is 15. And 37 to 57 difference is 20. Next difference should be 25. So 57 plus 25, our option is what? 82. Next one, they are given a first question, first number is a question, and next value they are asking 6 to 2, 12, 2 times, 12 to 48, 4 times, 48 to 384, 8 times, and here 6 to 6, 1 time. That means here to here the number is 0.5 times. What is the number we are substituting in a question mark is equal to getting a 6 value? The number is 12. 12 into 0.5 is equal to what? 6. Our option is C. Next, 121 and 145. Here 121 we can write 11 square, and 145 we can write 12 square plus 1, and 171 we can write, so 169 plus 2, that's we can write 13 square plus 2, and here we can write 14 square plus 3, and next question mark should be 15 square plus 4. 225 plus 4, which is equal to 229. Here the 11 square plus 0. Next, we have a pie charts. The data is belongs to 56 to 60 questions. So total tourists from USA, Canada and Britain 55,000. Here they are given USA, Canada, Britain 3, and total tourists from only USA 25,000. So 25,000. So 25,000 is removing from the 55,000. It is a 30,000. The 30,000 is belongs to what? Britain, Canada and Britain. So based on this data, we should solve the questions. Look at the data and we have to solve it here. What was the question? So directly we'll move for the question. Find the central angle of total number of tourists from US, Canada and Britain visiting E. Visiting E is equal to 34 percentage. 34 percentage central angle of the any circle, it should be 360 degrees. 34 percentage of 360 degrees. So 34 we can write 35 minus 1, and 36 we can write 35 plus 1. 35 square minus 1 square, 1225 minus 1, it is equal to 1224. By percentage means we'll get a 1 decimal here. So 122.4 degrees. Our option is B. Question number 57. If number of tourists visiting city A from Canada is 1200 more than that from Britain, then find the number of tourists visiting city A from Canada. Finally, we need Canada value, but initially they mentioned Canada to Britain relation. Here the relation is belongs to USA and Britain. USA, Canada, Britain. Here is only USA. From UCB, USA, Canada and Britain, only USA will be removing. You will get a result of Canada and Britain combination. So here is USA, Canada, Britain overall value is A company wise 18 percentage. 18 percentage of city A, or city A 18 percentage of 55,000, it is equal to 18 5 is 90, and 18 5 is 90, it is equal to 9,900. And USA value is required 17 percentage of 25,000, but I am taking 25 percentage of 17,000. 17,000 of value 8,500, 8,000 of value 4,500, of value 250. And 9,900 to 4,250 difference is 5,000. 9,000 difference 4,000 difference is 5,900 minus 250, which is equal to 5650. This is what Canada plus Britain is equal to 5,650. But as per the question condition, Canada to Britain difference is 1,200, and plus B minus B cancel. Please CC is equal to C. 5650 is equal to 6850. 6850 of value is equal to our answer. So here 6850. 6850 of value is what? 3425. Then C plus C is equal to, we can write 2C. 2C is equal 6850. Single C is equal 3425. Next question. Question number 58. Find the difference between the total number of tourists from Canada and Britain visiting city E and total number of tourists from Canada, Britain visiting city D. So only Canada and Britain we required. For that we know UCB, from UCB only U value will be going to removing. Look at ED, two companies are there. We should take the differences. Here the 34%, here the 14%, 20%. 20% of 55,000 which is equal to 11,000. Yes, and next here 10% is value 5,500 and 20% is value 11,000. Next, coming to the only USA value, here the ED, here the 23% and 26%. Finally we need difference. For that we can apply the minus, but look at 23 minus 26 is equal to, we'll get minus 3% of 25,000. And percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 253 is a 750 and minus into minus plus 750 added to 11,000. Our option is 11,750. Move for the next question. Find the ratio of the total number of tourists visiting city B from USA B. 14% of 25,000. The total number of tourists visiting D from USA, Canada and Britain. D 14%. 14% of 55,000. Here 1,000 cancel and 14% cancel. 25 and 55 both are cancelled with 5. 5 5s are 5 11s are. Our answer is 5:11. Next, 60th 60. If the ratio of the total number of male tourists to total number of female tourists from Canada and Britain visiting city C is 3:2, then find the number of male tourists from Canada and Britain city C. City C value we need male visitors. First of all, we should calculate only Canada and Britain. That means from UCB, U value will be going to removing. Here the C 12%. 12% of 55,000. 12 5 is 60 and carry forward 6. 12 5 is 60. It is 660 and 6,600. This is the value is UCB. From UCB we can remove the U value. 20% of 25,000. 10% is value 2,500. So 20% is value 5,000. In this we need males to females ratio is 3:2. 3 plus 2 is equal total 5 parts. In this we need number of male tourist. Male tourist means which is equal to here, so 3 parts, 3 by 5. Look at 6,600 minus 5,000, the result is 1,600. The 1,600 here, 1,600 into 3, 4,800. 4,800 and by 5 which is equal to 960. Our option is what? 960. Here next question 61. 20% of a number when subtracted from the 60% of the same number. So we'll get a difference is 40%, which is equal to 1200. But we need what is the percentage? 25%. So 40% to 120, 3 times extra 0, 0. Here also multiply into 3. 25 3s are 75 and extra 0. Then 25% of that number, what is answer? C. Next, here an employer reduces the number of his employees in the ratio 10 employees, their wages are 11, and 9 employees, their wages are 12. And we'll calculate both sides. 2 5s are and 2 6s are, and 5 into 11 55 and 9 6s are 54. Our option is what? A. Next, the average of 67 results is 67 numbers is 46. If the average of first 52 results is 52 numbers is 45 and the average of last 14 results is 47, we are missing the 53rd result. We have to calculate 53rd result. So look at the condition here. Already 52 numbers are there. The 52 numbers average is 45. When 53rd will be going to enter, then average become what? 46. So what I'm saying, so 53rd is going to adding to the 52 members, the average become total become average, total members average is 46, but 52 members average is what, 45. Then when it is he is going to enter, the average is going to decrease. How much decrease? For the 52 value will be, each person is 1111 is going to decrease. That means he is going to taking how many members value, 52 members value, and this the value is completed. Now it is comparing to is 14 members value. 14 members value average is 47, and 14 members group, their average is 47. When it is this extra person, this extra person is going to enter, this extra person is going to enter this 14 members, average is going to changes is what, 46. That means what, here 47 average become a 46 means he is going to taking the values. How many members values, 14. How much decreases, 1 decreases. For the 14 members average is going to decreasing. Then when you are going to comparing the these kind of values, then we'll get a 53rd value overall. 46 plus 52, 98. From 98, 14 will be revealed. Then remove it. We'll get a 53rd member. The 53rd member original value is how much? 84. Our option is C. Next question. Anu's age is twice the age of Anuj. Twice the age of Anuj. 10 years, hence the ratio between the age of Arun and Anuj is 3:2. Here is one part is equal to 10 years increased. We require the Arun's age, two parts is equal to how many years? 20 years. The option is C. Next, after 4 years hence, simple interest obtained 8,250 at the rate of x plus 4 percentage is 1320 more than the simple interest obtained at the rate of 8% per annum. Find the value of x. 4 years interest is 1320. 1 year interest I required. 1 year interest means it is 330. 4 years, 4 to 1320. 4 years interest is 1320. 4 3 0 12, 4 3 12. Then interest is 330. 330 interest you are getting on 8,250 for how many years? 1 year. We need percentage, multiply with 100. We'll cancel the values. Here 0 0 will be cancelled. 11 3s are, 11 7s are, and 11 5s are. And 3 to 75, it is a 25. 25 to 100, 4 times. That means overall this extra interest for 1 year, how much percentage? 4%. That means here the x plus 4 percentage to, here the x plus 4 percentage to 8%, difference is how much percentage? 4%. Money wise 1320 for 4 years. 1 year value 330. 1 year value 330 value is how much percentage? 4%. The 4% is how much? That means x plus 4% to 8%, 4% difference రావాలి అంటే x plus లో ఏ వాల్యూ ఉండాలి? 8 ఉండాలి. 8 plus 4 12, 12 to 8 how much? 4. That's my x value is how much percentage? 8%. Our option is C. Next, in a battalion enough food for 300 men for 60 days, but after 45 days 300 men రన్నింగ్ లో ఉన్నారు, 60 days తినగలరు. అందులో 45 days వరకు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది అంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయి? 15 days ఉంటాయి. సో 300 మెన్స్ 15 days వరకు కంప్లీట్ గా తినగలరు. అందులో ఎంతమంది వెళ్ళిపోయారు? 100 మెన్స్ లెఫ్ట్. 100 మెన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు? 200. సో 300 మెంబర్స్ 15 days తినే ఫుడ్ ని 200 మెన్స్ ఎన్ని డేస్ తింటారు? That is our question. So here 0000 cancel. 15 by 15 into 3 is 45. 45 by 2 is equal to 22.5. Then how many days they are using that food? 22.5 days for how many members? 200. Next, the time taken by 170-meter long train to cross a 240-meter long bridge in 6 seconds more than the time taken by the same train crosses a pole. So 170-meter long crosses a pole, but 240 meters are extra. That's why it's taking a more time. To crossing a 240 meters, it's taking a how many seconds extra? 6 seconds extra. Length by time you can apply, you will get a speed 240 by 6. Our option is what? 40 meter per second. Next, pipe ABC fill a tank rate 10 liters, 15 liters, 20 liters per minute. They are given efficiency, not timings. 10 liters per minute, 15 liters per minute, 20 liters per minute. Pipe D empty that same tank 20 minutes, 20 liters per minute. 20 minutes, 20 liters per minute means each 1 minute is So 20 liters, then 20 minutes means the tank capacity is how many liters? 400 liters. Now all the pipes are at a time working. All the pipes are at a time working to capacity of 400 liters. With the help of the D reference, we are finding this capacity. All four pipes are at a time working. Then what is the time is required to filling this 400 liters? Look at D is emptying pipe and C is filling pipe. C can filling 20 liters per minute and D is emptying 20 liters per minute. That means D and C going to cancel as per the numbers. And only is which is the two pipes are serving? A and B. A is serving 10 liters per minute. B is serving 15 liters per minute. That means overall both can fill 25 liters per minute. 25 liters are filling 400 liters means how many minutes are required? 16 minutes. 25 16 ja 400. Option is C. Next, A invested 12,000 rupees for X months while B invested 16,000 rupees for 9 months in a scheme. The profit share is B value is 4,800 out of value of 6,200. 6,200, 4,800 will be removed. We'll get 1,400. This 1,400 is profit is belongs to A. 4,008 profit is belongs to B. 14 plus 48 is equal to 62. Then find the value of X. So look at investment. This is what? Investment. So this is a profit. Profit by investment apply. You will get what? Timings values. So 12,000 and 16,000. And we'll apply the ratio. We cancel the numbers. Here the 000 cancel. And 16 3 times. And 00 cancel. 2 6 and 2 7 and 6 3 which is equal to 3 is to 8. 7 is to 18. 18 parts is equal to 9 months means, and 7 parts is equal to how many months? 18 half value 9 and 7 half value 3.5 months. Then our option is C. Next, in a boat takes same time travel 75 km downstream, in down 75 km per hour for example, and up is 60 km per hour same time. Then speeds ratio is 75 is to 60, both are cancelled with 15. 15 5s are 15 4s are. Their speeds ratio is 5 is to 4. What is the question they're asking? Then find the speed of boat in downstream is what percentage of speed of the boat in still water. Boat speed in a still water. Boat speed in a still water means how do you write boat speed? Boat speed formula is what? Downstream plus upstream by 2. That means we can write 9 by 2. We need a percentage, multiply with 100. So 2 will be coming to numerator. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 100, 1000. 1000 by 9. 1000 by 9 percentage. 1000 by 9 percentage means which is a suitable option? So this first option, 1 by 9 percentage. Next one, here we have a directions based on the quadratic equations 71 to 75. Look at the first 10 1 10. Then what was the factors here? 5 comma 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 7. Here the final factors minus plus always giving the positive factors 5 by 10 and 2 by 10. Then final factors is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 5. And as it is here 35 1s are 35 and 7 comma 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 plus 5 12 and divide by 35. And here 7 by 35 we can write here 1 by 5 and 1 by 7. Now compare it here. So 1 by 5 1 by 5 equal, and 1 by 5 7 by 5, which is the greater, and here 1 by 2 and here the greater and here the greater. That means x greater than or equal to y. Our option is D. Next 72 question. Here 6 into 121, 6 into 121, 121 we can write 11 into 11, 11 6 we can write 66 and 11. So 66 plus 11 77, and 66 into 11 is equal 6 into 121 divide with 6. And final factors are plus plus is always giving minus minus. Here the minus 11 comma minus 11 by 6. And coming to here minus 22, minus 22 we can write here 11 into 2, 11 into 2, it is a 22. 11 minus 2 is equal 9, it is a plus 11 and minus 2. Then final factors are minus 11 plus 2. Comparing the relation here, minus 11 to minus 11 which is equal. So minus 11 to plus 2, it is a greater, and minus 11 by 6 minus 11, this is a greater. Then here the 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is what? Cannot be established or cannot be determined. Our option is E. Next, here 4 into 21 84, and we can write 12 7 ja 84, so it is divisible by 4, and final factors are 3 comma 7 by 4. Minus plus always giving positive factors. And 2 27 ja 54, then factors also we can take 27 2 and minus 27 plus 2, but when dividing with 2, then final factors are plus 27 by 2 comma minus 1, and comparing the result here, so 3 to 1, here the 3 is a bigger, and 3 to 27 by 2, 27 by 2 is bigger, then 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is what, cannot be determined. Next, here x square plus 10x minus 96 is equal 0. Here look at constant contain minus constant contain minus, our answer is cannot be determined. And next, here is also this constant contain minus, this constant is contain minus, our relation is what, cannot be established. Next, we have a simplification based on the approximation. Here 16.08 into 18.19, we can write 16 into 18 plus 14 square into 8 by 14 plus 41. This is under root. Here 17 minus 1 and 17 plus 1, 17 square minus 1 square, it is a 288 plus 14 14 cancel, 14 8 ja 112 plus 41. 288 plus 112 400, 400 plus 41 441, root of 441 value is 21, our option is C. Next, 2 4 9.95, we can write 250 percentage of 400 plus 30 square, we can write 900 minus 60 percentage of 200, which is equal to 920, 920 plus x. This is we are going to solving now. 250 percentage of 4, 25 4s are 100 and 100 0 1000, and 900 minus 6 2s are 12 and 0 0 120, which is equal to 920 plus x. And here 900, here the 900, here the 900 cancel, here the minus 120 is removing from the 1000, which get what is the value, 880. From 880 20 will be removed, you will get 860. Option is what, A. Question number is 78. As per the same data approximation, look at the 78 here. 299.79, we can write 300 plus 650 minus 40 percentage of x, which is equal to 100. 9.9 10 10 square is 100. 300 plus 650 950, 950 100 will be removed, will get 850, and 40 percentage of x, and cancel the numbers. Here the 0 0 cancel, 4 to 85, 21 times extra 0.25 also, but percentage by 100 will be multiplied, will get answer 2125. Our option is D, 2125. Move for the next question. 79, 17.05 percentage, we can write 17 percentage of 400 and 23 percentage of 900 minus 17 percentage of 500, which is equal to question mark. 17 percentage of 500, 17 percentage of 400, which is equal to 17 percentage of 100 minus 17 percentage, and 100 cancel, and 23 9 ja will get 29 ja 180, 9 3 ja 27, will get 207. From 207, so 17 will be removed, will get a what is answer, 190. Our option is E. Next, 2361.01 is there. This is, we can write 2336 plus 1250 plus 2450 minus 3123. Here 1000 2000, which is equal to 3000, minus 3000 1000 2000 cancel, 250 plus 450 700, 700 plus 336, which is equal to 3036, and in this we are going to removing 123, and 36 minus 23, which is equal to 13. From 31 will be removing, will get 29, then final answer is 2913, which is approximately equal to option E, 2916.